Hi guys, July month. If you are going to see, main things is goats will have a pleasant time seeing they have a good relationship and can communicate better than even with others. This month will be for them. One is which they will want more to read and to study. In other words, to become more knowledgeable. Therefore, they will be very curious about cultures different than their own. This is they will study exotic civilization, study world's history they had no idea about it. Other Capricorns interested in the same exact things, they will start learning new language or join courses that will they help them advance in their career and master new skills. Nothing happens to them by accident as they are changing on a personal level. They will want more than ever evolve to become more intellectually capable for keeping up with any conversation. So they look for all the ways in which they can get to know their deepest desires and thoughts, to also understand why the humanity is the way it is. Problems may appear for them as far as friendships and family relations go. Coming to the love horoscope for July, Capricorns will warmly with others in July because they know how to talk warmly and pleasantly, especially with their others. Of course, as a result of this, all these disagreements, misunderstandings, and problems that happen for them in the couple are going to disappear, and they feel very amazing in their relationship. Oh, we are lost it. So they will live the best moments with their other half. Those of them who are single will be given the chance to get in the content with many interesting people. It's not mean to death, it means some for. Do you understand? Not for, it's going to not happen to everyone, it's happened for few people only. You have to understand that. And someone who is entering their life this month may become their love letter. July transits are encouraging you to be a sweet, swear, and balanced person. Do not force things and to understand your partner. Also, your own desires and just change your schedule. If the special person in your life needs you closer to him on her. Venus and Mars are increasing and strengthening your senses. So enjoy your life in the couple to the maximum. You have many emotional opportunities for encounters. They may be fated. More than this, you conclude your partner is your soulmate. From the 13th and until the 28th, you have 100% committed to your relationship. Don't believe everything happens that though it has you may have many opportunities coming your way. Coming to the career and finance horoscope, ups and downs in the finance sector are going to devastate many Capricorns who will not feel fulfilled with what they are doing for living in order to compensate this negative work situation. Goals natives will want to read and study more. This means they won't waste their time and use it to gain more knowledge. Something that will do them only good. What they need to pay attention is the money. Before do anything, in the financial business sector, they need to ask for advice and to avoid spending too much. Changing jobs is not advice. In June, they were warned by the stars that a period of unexpected experience is going to arrive, so they should be something put aside by now. This month the stars are telling them that they may need to spend a lot on repairing their home and some new projects they have. However, this does not mean they should be completely discouraged, as they will receive some good news. When it comes to money, they will afford to indulge a bit. Putting something aside too is a must. Coming to wealth is health is wealth. Jupiter need respect. Saturn's message that brings you the financial wisdom. I mean, financial wisdom you need in a month filled with excesses. If you are going to have a pleasant time ahead. Even effort to go on a vacation. Capricorns won't have a perfect calculatorly system this month, so they will have to exercise in order to having symptoms like palpitations, muscles ankle, cold feet, and fatigue. You also need to pay attention to your diet because most of the time this is more important than taking medication. Make sure you are properly resting during weekends, so give the obligations the time they need, but don't allow them to keep your keep you from relaxing. So respecting our time just is a big one. uh, just I told in maximum time. Thank you. I need a subscription. Bye. Don't forget to watch my weekly horoscopes, daily horoscopes also. Thank you.